So students, welcome to the test video of our new project, which is RFID based security system. So this project is made with Arduino and RFID RC522 reader. So it's a very easy to make project. We have made it on 0 PCB. So let us assemble the parts and see its test demo. So here we have all the parts assembled and it has been powered on. So I have here two different RFIDs. One is this card which has the access and the other is this tag which is not encoded. So let us see how this reacts. So first let us try the key which is encoded. So as soon as I move it near, it shows access granted and the LED glows up. Now let us try the unknown tag. So as you can see, the tag which is not known, it does not allows the access and makes sound with buzzer. So if you want us to make a full detailed video on this project, please do like the video and share it as much as possible. See you in the next video.